Welcome to my channel, TECHNOSANKALP Solutions. In this video, we will build a smart RFID attendance system using ESP8266 LCD Display and Google Sheets. Let's quickly see how it works. When I scan the RFID card of Deep, his name is shown on the LCD and instantly, his attendance is recorded in Google Sheets within time. Now, I scan Sanchit and Prachi cards and their attendance is also recorded automatically. If I try to scan an unknown card, the system shows access denied and no data is stored in the sheet. Let's watch the full video to understand how this system works step by step. Let's start with the components required for this project. We need a breadboard to connect all components easily. ESP8266 NodeMCU is the main controller that processes data and connects to Wi-Fi. The LCD display is used to show the user name and attendance status like in or out. The RFID module reads the RFID card or tag. RFID cards and tags are used by users to mark attendance. Jumper wires are used to connect all components. The buzzer gives a sound alert when a card is scanned. And USB cable is used to power the board and upload the code. Here is the complete circuit diagram of the RFID attendance system. Now, let's make the connections. Connect USB cable to ESP8266 NodeMCU. First, connect the RFID RC522 module to the ESP8266 using SPI pins. Connect SDA, also called SS, to D4. Connect SCK to D5. Connect Moji to D7. Connect MISO to D6. Connect RST to D3. Connect GND to GND. And connect 3.3 volt to 3.3 volt. Make sure you use only 3.3 volt for the RFID module. Now, connect the buzzer. Connect the positive pin to D8. And connect the negative pin to ground. Next, connect the LCD display using I2C communication. Connect SCL to D1. Connect SDA to D2. Connect ground to ground. And connect VCC to 5 volt. Finally, connect all grounds together. Now your circuit is ready. Now, let's set up Google Sheets to store attendance data online. This system will automatically record name, date, time, and status like in or out. First, open Google Sheets. Create a new blank sheet. Now create the table headers. In the first row, type name, date, time, status. This sheet will store all attendance records. Now, click on Extensions. Then click on App Script. This will open the coding editor for automation. Now, delete any existing code. Paste the app script code here. This code will receive data from ESP8266 and store it in the sheet. Make sure to change the sheet ID. The sheet ID is the part between /d and /edit in your Google Sheet URL. Also, set your time zone correctly. Now click on Deploy. Select New Deployment. Choose Web App. Set access to anyone. Then click Deploy. Now allow all permissions. If you see a warning, click Advanced and continue. Now copy the web app URL. This URL will be used in ESP8266 code. This is required to send data. Now let's test the system manually. Copy the web app URL. At the end of the URL, add !name equal to your name. For example, type your name like Deep. Now press Enter. You will see the message in marked. This means your attendance is recorded. Now open your Google Sheet and you will see your name added within status. Now again, enter the same URL with the same name. Press Enter again. This time it will show out marked. And in the Google Sheet, status will be updated as out. Now your Google Sheet is ready. It will automatically store in and out time when RFID is scanned. If you want better visual clarity, you can display in and out status in different colors. Go to Edit Conditional Formatting. Set rule, text contains in, choose yellow color. And for out, choose light red color. This makes attendance easier to understand. After that, let's upgrade this project even further by adding a working hours dashboard. First, create a new sheet in Google Sheets and rename it as Dashboard. Now create 4 columns: name, date, total working hours, status. You can format the table as per your requirement. I am keeping it simple and clean for better visibility. Now paste the formulas provided in the description box. Paste the first formula in cell A2. This formula automatically fetches unique employee names and dates from sheet 1. Next, paste the second formula in cell C2. This formula calculates the total working hours automatically. Then paste the third formula in cell D2. This formula shows the current employee status, whether the person is still inside or already checked out. Now let's make the dashboard more professional using conditional formatting. Select the status column. Go to Format, then Conditional Formatting. For text containing still inside, select a light yellow color. For text containing checked out, select a light red color. This improves the visual appearance and makes the dashboard easier to understand. Now open App Script. Go to Manage Deployments and copy the web app URL. Paste the URL into a new browser tab, just like we did earlier for testing. Now test the system again. First, I will scan Deep's RFID card for in time. Then I will scan the same card again for out time. Next, let's test another user like Ghanshyam and Sandeep. Now open Sheet 1. You can see that all in and out entries are updating automatically with date and time. Now open the dashboard sheet. Here you can see that total working hours are calculated automatically, multiple in and out entries are supported, current status is displayed automatically. This dashboard makes the project much more professional and useful for schools, colleges, offices, and companies. Our RFID attendance system with working hours dashboard is now completed successfully. Now open Arduino IDE software. This is where we will write and upload the code to ESP8266. Now go to Tools. Select Board as NodeMCU 1.0 ESP12E module. Then select the correct COM port where your ESP8266 is connected. Now paste the code given in the description. Now enter your Wi-Fi name and password here. This is required to connect ESP8266 to the internet. Now paste your Google script URL here. Make sure to add !name equal to at the end of the URL. This is used to send username to Google Sheets. Now add your RFID card UID and username. Each RFID card has a unique UID. You can print UID in serial monitor and then map it with a name. Now click on Verify to compile the code. If there are no errors, click on Upload. Wait until it shows done uploading. Now open serial monitor to see UID of RFID cards. Scan your RFID card. LCD will show your name and attendance status. Google Sheet will update automatically. This code reads RFID card UID, matches it with stored users, connects to Wi-Fi, sends data to Google Sheets, and displays result on LCD screen. It also handles in and out time automatically. Now let's see the final output of the project. The system is ready and connected to Google Sheets. First, I scan the RFID card of Deep. You can see on the LCD his name is displayed. At the same time, Google Sheet is updated automatically. Now, I scan Sanchit's RFID card. Again, the system records his attendance within status. Next, I scan Prachi's RFID card. Her data is also recorded successfully within time. Now, let's try an unknown RFID card. This card is not registered in the system. The LCD shows unknown card and access denied. Now, I scan the cards again to mark out time. First, Prachi's card. This time, the system records out status. Now, Sanchit's card. His out time is also recorded. Finally, I scan Deep's card. And his out time is updated successfully. Now you can see in Google Sheets, all users have in and out records with correct date and time. Now let's check the working hours dashboard. Here, Deep, Prachi, and Sanchit's in and out times are recorded automatically, along with their total working hours and current status. This is a smart, real-time, and fully automated attendance system using IoT. This project can be used in real life in many places. It can be used in schools for student attendance. It can be used in offices to track employee working hours. It can be used in hostels for entry and exit tracking. It can also be used in factories for shift management. This system reduces manual work and prevents fake attendance. All data is stored online and can be accessed anytime.